this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook login not working in its web version. So in the Chrome, if you're trying to log into Facebook and it's not working, then what you can do is, first of all, you can try it with incognito mode. In the top right corner, you can see this three dotted lines menu bar. Click on it. Then click on New Incognito tab. From there, search for facebook.com login page and try to log in from there. Or the next thing that you can do is clear data in Chrome. So click on these three dotted lines in the top right corner again. Scroll down below, click on Settings, then click on Privacy and Security. From here, click on Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you tick Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, Cached Image and Files. Then here you can see Last Hour. Simply click on the drop down menu. Then click on All Time. Then click on Delete Data. Confirm it. Now go back and try to access facebook.com login again. Also, one thing that you need to make sure is that you are using your exact login credentials. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is simply search for facebook.com down detector. From here, check if there are any spikes in the problem reported. If there is, then it might be the issue of the Facebook server itself. Simply wait it out and they will fix it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.